Magandang araw. Ito po ay para sa mga grade 9 students at ang topic po natin ngayon ay quadratic equations in one variable. Okay? Ang quadratic equation po in one variable is an equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So may restriction po ang b sa c. Dapat daw po ang b and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. So, dapat hindi po 0 yon. Okay? So, para matawag natin siya, quadratic equation in one variable. Ang quadratic equation po ay can be solved by four ways or four means. Extracting the square root, factoring, completing the square, saka quadratic formula. So, depende po kung anong form meron ang quadratic equation o kung anong itsura niya. Halimbawa, ang extracting the root, ginagamit mo kapag nawawala ito. So, ang given lang, si ax squared saka yung constant na c equals 0. So, extracting the root po ang ginagamit dyan. Yung number 2 naman po, na factoring, ginagamit kapag yung quadratic equation mo is factorable. So, pag kaya mo siyang ma-factor, factoring ang gagamitin mo. Ang completing the square naman po, ginagamit kapag hindi mo kaya sa factoring or mahirap hanapin ang factors. So, completing the square ang gagamitin natin dyan. Itong 4 po, by quadratic formula, ang maganda rito, lahat ng klase ng quadratic equation in one variable, kaya niyang isolve. Kaya lang, medyo lengthy lang siya, no? Medyo mahaba. Okay? Medyo mahaba. Pero ideal siya sa lahat ng klase ng quadratic equation. Okay? So, extracting the square root muna tayo. Halimbawa, meron kang x squared minus 100 equals 0. So, solve for x. Sabi dyan, solve for the value of x. Okay? So, isa-solve natin. Ano kaya ang value ng x? So, pag ganito po, wala si bx, extracting the root lang or extracting the square root. Lipat natin ng 100, magiging negative 100, magiging positive 100. Then, extracting the root. Ayan. So, square root of x squared is x. Square root of 100 is pwedeng 10 or negative 10. Kasi nga po, 10 squared is 100, negative 10 squared is 100. Or negative 10 times negative 10 is 100. Or pwede mong isulat ito sa ganito. Plus minus 10. Dalawa. Kasi po, yung exponent na yon, yun ang nagsasabi kung ilan ang value ng x mo. Since 2 yon, dapat dalawa. Kaya 10 or negative 10. Okay? Halimbawa, meron kang 5x squared minus 20 equals 0. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Nawawala si b. Extracting the root ang gagamitin. Or extracting the square root. So, 5x squared equals, lipat si negative 20, magiging positive 20. Divided by 5, divided by 5, cancel. So, x squared equals, 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then, square root. So, square root of x squared is x. Square root of 4 is plus minus 2. Pwede po nating i-check yan, Check natin. So, ang equation natin is 5x squared minus 20 equals 0. At ang nakuha nating value, positive 2 or negative 2. So, gamitin natin ang positive 2. So, 5 times x is 2 squared minus 20 equals 0. 2 squared, meaning 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Pwede rin yung negative ang gamitin natin. So, kung negative ito, negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is also 0. Kaya pwede po, pwede po si negative 2. Okay? Halimbawa naman, isosolve natin ang value ng x in the equation 3x squared minus 54 equals 0. So, ganun pa rin, lipat si 54 sa kabila. So, magiging siyang positive na. No? So, 3x squared positive 54. Okay? Divided by 3. Divided by 3. Cancel. Bakit po cancel doon? Kasi 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared na. Ano? So, 54 divided by 3 is 18. Okay? 18. Oh. Square root. So, x equals square root of 18, hindi eksakto. So, ang gawin natin, i-factor natin si 18 na meron siyang perfect square. Ano? 9 times 2. Okay? So, square root of 9 is 3. Ang makakalabas lang, ito. So, square root of 9 is 3. Matitira sa loob, si 2. Ayan. So, plus, minus. Okay? So, ito nasagot. Sagot natin, positive 3 square root of 2 or negative 3 square root of 2. Okay? So, ganun lang po kadali yun. Halimbawa naman, meron kang 5x squared minus 320 equals 0. Okay? So, 5x squared, lipat sa kabila, si negative 320, magiging positive 320 na. Divided by 5, cancel. X squared equals 32, 320 divided by 5 is 64. Yan. O, pag ako po nagdi-divide ng 5, ang ginagawa ko, since 0 naman yon, multiply ko na lang ito sa 2. Ano, 32 times 2 is 64. 64 yan. Kung i-multiply mo naman ito, 5 times 64 is, hahatiin mo siya. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Tapos, lagay mo yung 0. Okay, 64. Square root of x squared, square root of 64 is x. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 64 is plus minus 8. Check mo na lang doon. Okay? Yan po ang solution of quadratic equation by extracting the root. Susunod pong video ay solution of quadratic equation by factoring. Kung factorable yung quadratic equation. Maraming salamat po.